Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you change the CapCut PC limits to endless. Right, so it's super simple and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So after you open the CapCut apps and you can create new project, and in your project you can find a menu in the top left corner. Just click on it and select settings, select language. Yeah, I'm still, yeah, I have, right. You can change for English. There are mm, many language available here, so just click save. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.